fucker, yo. You think we'll take it off? Yeah, man. Go on now.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you. What's up, AC gang? It's the girl I'm here, guys. Over telling the say, hey girl, I'm come back with a prank them, guys. As you can see by the title, I'm about to do the sneaking out in the middle of the night prank. Guys, I know Kepo curl up in our bed about after 11 now. Yeah, so I decided to make a do the prank here. Basically, I want to say the girl them do. I put on them clothes, put on them makeup. I don't have time for no makeup. I always my nice clean makeup and oh, but me, fuck away. You know my bed? No, I'm allowed. So yeah, guys, I just go, wait on my ear a little bit. I'm gonna find one pants and one blouse from yesterday. This is why me attack myself and I echo because me in the bathroom and me don't want to talk too loud. So I'm gonna put on my clothes, set up the camera, and then, you know, I'm gonna try and make some noise because I don't see most of the girls them know. So guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, comment team up down below because I'm gonna tell them to say, girl, I'll come back with prank them. I want some dirty boy when they cap up. Yeah, I'll make sure you know. You can subscribe to comedy channel, I be a Kepo Comedy TV, you know, because I be a comedy I come. One hour pan. Go and go subscribe. Alright guys, no further talking. Let's flick into the video. So guys, I'm not really take out none fancy because after I want to buy good clothes for camera, I'm not going away. Bye. Bye. Guys, it look like someone pop something up on a fucking blouse. Damn fool. When him catch me and him ask me where I go, I'm gonna tell a lie, so I go with my friend named Simon, and we got Taboo. You know Taboo, the local strip club. Ross and today Taboo I keep, you know.
You know I'm
I'm gonna try and set up the camera now. And you know, just make one organize as I get up. Alright guys, no further talking. Stay tuned. Tap the truth. Could it come out answer? Could it come out answer? So I'm in the hallway, if I could go in the room now. I just set up the camera. So no further talking. Hello? Yeah. But I'm ready already. We're ready already. Yeah, I have my clothes, I have on full black. Where you have on? So you're gonna make a match out also? Yeah. So I'm gonna match out also? Alright, no problem. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you I'm ready. Yeah. May I put on my shoes? No.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on the road.
What?
Yeah, I'm ready. Cause boy, I kept asking me what I'm having.
Yo, where you go?
Yeah.
My friend.
Keep on.
I'm there.
Let me want to me.
Me give me some to me.
Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna go on the road. I'm coming to you.
Where you
So
go?
going back to sleep.
Where you go?
I'm gonna go on the road.
Where you get the pussy from?
Hello? Yeah. When you come, when I reach,
Who's the
just
girl?
stand back.
I'm there, man.
Alright. Keep on your place over.
You can't finish that already. You want to sleep, you know?
Then go back to sleep. I'm gonna take
Where's
some
the
more.
family? Take your time. Where you go?
I'm gonna go on the road. Oh, this look. Okay, you know I like black and so. So. Well, I'm gonna go there.
I'm there.
No,
We
what
can go on the road. You understand?
That's right, Dave. Come on, I'm going to the road. Yesterday, I'm going to sleep then. I'm going to sleep. I'm friend, I go on the road.
Which friend?
Me and Simon, I go on the road.
What?
I got Taboo.
What?
I say, man.
What's the kid, man?
Anyways, I'm gonna come pick me up. Oh, some bag of answer. I'm gonna come pick me up soon.
Little girl, I'm Jimmy and Jim to Rapid.
Yeah, but that's what I have, and then we are quite excited and I go and so far.
You myself?
You didn't even like go out. So if somebody asks me for go out, me I go out. I'm hardly go out, because you know what I'm going to do. So since my friend asked me for go out, I'm going out. Oh my look.
This can't read to Rapid.
Yo, no,
Hello, Bram.
yes, I'm having a nice day. Answer the question, oh my look.
Yeah, man, it'll stop it now. Why you put on the clothes, eh? You nobody now go out. You never go with nobody. Oh, that's your pizza.
Oh, when you ask it, them call me.
And you make me and see me, one man carry one man.
Yeah, I say you don't know him.
Not even know him.
They say you want to sleep, go back to sleep. Him
Take off
super.
him clothes,
The man friend him super.
Take off him clothes.
Yeah, you got? Whatever, I'm still on. Time say man come when I'm rich.
That's how it's break on top of the call and reach.
You didn't want to laugh.
Call her. My phone before call. Whatever sell it.
Yeah, boy, yes, if he ask if you come
Why should I come
I'm
in?
tell him say you asleep. So I'm tell him say me come because you asleep. So when you let me like wake up and tell him say me I go on the road.
So what you say now, man, you go now?
Taboo.
You ever got taboo yet?
Of course, I go taboo.
Me ever go yet?
I don't know if you ever go.
Me ever go yet?
No.
So why another man carry you?
Yeah, boy, if somebody want to bring me on, no, it's a hardly go out, you know, think I go.
You know sense, you know.
Give me phone.
And that's the main road. You know, take up yourself and go, but without me knowing you're going away.
Yeah, but I go wake up and tell him say I go on the road.
You should ask if you can go on the road.
Okay, Daddy. Can I go on the road, Daddy?
Most Jimmy and Jim to road.
More ask outside and be like, give me phone, yeah? Give me phone. I'm going to put a matter there with your eye.
Come to you.
Give me phone.
You're not going to know my girl. Let me show you you're not going to know.
Must be there answer.
Bread, no, I'm not talking about that, but yeah, we can road.
Yeah, but what this look?
Take off them clothes, baby, tell her.
Yes, guys, come on, stop now.
Take
Stop.
off them clothes.
This is my baby go out. Somebody want to bring me on me, I go out. The boy asks if you have come, I tell him say you asleep.
Take off them clothes, my girl. Whatever say that.
I'm not going to go over this to come.
After 12 minutes, you really go and do that anything you're going? You're going away?
Why you don't call me phone for? This guy's supposed to boy call me. And after I level, by the way.
My friend, take off them clothes there.
Yeah, but please, I'm trying to come back in the evening.
Take
I don't have time
off
for this.
them
Right?
clothes.
Yeah, but I don't have time for this. I'm serious. Yeah, but stop. Stop. Yep. Stop now. Stop.
I want to sleep. Take off
So
them
I'm
clothes.
not sleep.
Throw your sleep tonight.
I don't want to sleep.
You're not going to Abigail.
I want party. I want party.
Make a decade, you know.
Not in the living room. No, we are. This look a black cloud. Like it's in a way. Why is she? The boy called me.
My friend, take off your clothes. Stop not talking, you know. You're not going to 12 minutes, you're not going away.
I can't stop me.
You go.
Yeah. Yeah, stop. Yeah. Yeah, but stop now. Every time I go out, I listen to stop.
You'll have the lotion by you.
Okay.
You go to the man lotion, nice clean lotion by you every time we go to the man.
So I buy for benefit. If I go buy
Me and go together.
if I go buy lotion for me, I go to excuse me, boy.
You're not going to be. No, bro.
Yes. Yeah, but come on, come on. What's serious?
What if you come and do me?
Imagine the boy call me and ask me if 2
You're
hours
not keeping the
ago.
boy. You're too lie.
What do you mean, 2
A man you go by yourself, but boy, call it's a lie.
Yeah, boy, I say, man.
Me don't care if him.
Come on, family.
Whatever said, Abby.
Come on, family.
You not going away?
The boy call me and say, you can't go forward the taboo. Friend me, I'm a friend them. I'm saying, I must keep on sleep, but me.
Who friend them?
No, I'm friend them. Must have found out which person live.
I'm not curious. not going to win the air. Yo, you know, you're saying I'm going to...
11:42.
Still a walk away? You still a walk away? You still a walk away? Eh?
Yeah, but stop doing that. Don't.
Clean up the week, man.
Yeah, but stop doing that. It's not funny. Stop.
Yo, I don't know if you can... Yeah, you're not funny. You're going to me in the house by yourself.
Can you say I want to sleep, so I want to sleep?
You know, go sleep.
Me no want to sleep. And if somebody want to bring me up, I go out.
I mean, you know, you can talk to.
Yes, please. Come.
Fuck yo. You can go take it off. Yeah, man. Go on now. Go on now, no? No, be my laugh there. Go on now. Call back time and go on.
Give me more.
You can see the real you.
Him always see the real me. Can't guys and
you
go together.
You see the real you. So you go stick out the clothes and come back to bed now, please.
Just give me my wig. Give me more wig. I'm tired and bright.
No, you're not going to action at the damn party.
Yeah, I will go broke out and sour.
You're not going to party.
You're boring.
I'm the dog, please. No? We are going to the house.
Keep on looking for me.
I will still
You want to come? So the boy said that you could have come.
No, come.
Alright, bye. Me want to go. Keep on looking
I'm going to serious and cold, man.
You're not even fair. Stop. We didn't even laugh. Stop that. I'm serious.
You're not going, Abby. The boy never call you back. Tell me what's part about it.
The boy is them soon.
The boy don't want you come. 12 o'clock now. We not call you back.
The boy just attacked me again, so you mean him not call me back. Stop.
Yeah, I was with me. Please.
Stop now.
Still now.
Stop. Stop now.
I will still now, please.
Come back.
You get about this time? Yeah, man. You see if I eat that. Be honest, be like me.
You're nice, and if you go back to sleep.
You upset me now, no?
Imagine my friends say, want to take me out.
If I want to compete in my underpants.
You're like a big disrespect, though.
Yeah, we don't want to go out. We don't want to go. Don't still me, no?
Why you put more in the underpants?
Because my shirt say, yo, this is not important, my girl.
So you put in the underpants, I will show say it's not important.
Take off the clothes. Just don't wrap it a bit.
Give me.
Maybe watch movie, no?
No, but I'm going to sleep. I sleep, I want to sleep. Imagine me here, you drop asleep left me. I say, I'm going to watch movie, no, you drop asleep. If somebody come in and ask to bring me up, I go.
I'm tired of them.
End the discussion. I'm serious.
Becoming
You're not my father, you're nothing.
Becoming tired still.
Yeah, stay tired, keep the same energy. Stop ramping.
Where are you aggressive for?
Because you get upset now, you get more
Oh,
upset. You know what? Stop.
Come here.
Walk up our road so it can you. We didn't even laugh.
Come here, man. Easy. You don't go with me.
You must stand up. What about them must stick? You do it. Go on, go and stick. So you
can't
must
do that
stick.
today.
You must stick. You must stand up.
Stop.
Stop.
Be a son, man. Yeah, move to my friend.
You must stop.
Can I take your bag?
Stop.
Can I take your bag?
You must stand up.
So you really go left with me?
You say you want to sleep. The person call me.
So you really go left
But
with me?
don't tell them say. Them come pick me up.
Yeah, we can go left me and me done, you know.
Alright then. I'm going to the bathroom to fix my ear. Let's go.
I believe you know where I go.
You must stand up.
Do you feel like you can play, man, but we are going to bathroom come cheap people?
I'm going to the bathroom to fix my ear for go up on the road. What kind of trip business? I'm going.
You're not up on the road. I'm serious about it too. You're not up on the road. Me I laugh, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, but stop. What's your take on my shoes?
You can't play me.
Yeah, but stop. But true, I'm serious. I'm serious, yeah, but leave me alone.
Take off all your clothes a bit, I'm not paying.
Yeah, but stop. The boy is so calm, stop.
The boy not even care about you. Watch it. 12:30 now, you call him back yet?
12:21. 11:53. Cap move, I'm serious. Cap, stop ramping me.
May I have anything on you now?
Stop
How
ramping
about the
me.
room, man?
Leg off
Why
me.
did you behave so?
Because I want to go out.
The boy not
And
carry
then
you.
you
The boy
have
need
to
black card back. The boy need black card back. You see what he did? Okay, yo?
guys, wanna see how Capo grandma we gone gone. My friend who have heard this coming over.
What the fuck? I'm going to see you.
You have it, guys.
I'm going to do what I do, though.
Do you have it? That was so Do you have it, guys? Yes, see that. That one them sneaking out in the middle of the night, prank for my boyfriend. I wanted some Google name Capo. Yeah, I wanted some dirty, but give me more.
Don't share them things again, man.
Yeah, but give me more.
Man, I'm like, I'm afraid when I talk myself.
Give me more.
I'm going to finish up.
Yeah, boss.
When I'm on sticks, I'm going to sleep.
No, my love. Put on my wig by my head.
No, I'll say for it.
Guys, if you enjoy
That's
this.
still, yo. Boy, I ain't throwing there.
What is it?
No, sir.
Team Abby and none, guys.
Alright, Team Abby. Here we
Yeah,
go.
Team Abby and none.
When you get a phone with your friend, make a night come on.
So, guys, if you enjoy this. What kind of over here I said, man?
Man, shut up, man, you know.
So, guys, if you enjoy this prank, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you need us. Say comment Team Abby down below because we say girl and come back on the prank there.
Alright, there we know.
I want some dirty boy when they can't go.
Alright, there we know.
I want some dirty boy when they can't. People when they realize this, every time I want to go out, I always go for my wig them. And that's something I know sometimes I do the type of prank but keep I'm ear glued on.
Tear up head.
But say, Kappa, you know, stop that. You need to stop.
Well, stop ramping me at night time.
I want time I don't ramp with
Don't
that.
ramp
Hey guys, until then, AC Gang is out.